So I'm outside, just double checking that the flue is not blocked. I was able to get this cap off. This guy's a little rusted, and that's the fresh air intake on the outside, so it's not as critical as the interior exhaust type situation. Intake on the outside, exhaust on the inside, and then I've used this long stick. The passage is primarily unblocked. Feels like it's blowing harder right now. Inside the regular admission is up a bit. Basically, the stove's not lit, and it's I think it feels. I just pushed the off button, and it's running some kind of clearance cycle. This thing's pretty clear of crud. Let's see if we can get this on again. This is originally a vertical type insulation, but it's designed for horizontal as well. Alright. Okay, that's back on. It does have a up arrow. Let's see if I can get that up arrow. Anyway, there's an up arrow here. This is that way. I don't know if that really matters. Anyway, we're back on. I'm going to try lighting again. I don't think I really cleared much of anything significant, but the fan just seems to be running a little louder, maybe cleaner on the exhaust. Let me go inside and tell you if I think it sounds louder inside. That sounds about the same normal loudness. I'm getting error codes 2, 3, 4, and 7, which is different than 2, 3, 4, 7. 4, stove door open. No, that wasn't the case a second ago. 2, 3, 4, 7. Operating temperature not reached. That's true. I didn't light it. Exhaust system hopper area is overheating. Not true. Empty fuel hopper blocked flue. Maybe blocked flue. 7. Fire pot mechanical malfunction. Left igniter failed. Right igniter failed. Okay, I'm not sure what this is. I'm going to turn it off and on again and see if we can get it lit. Okay, I turned it off and went back to 2, 3, 4. I never got 2, 3, 4. Anyway, on. It's going to clearance clinker. I'm going to put my, it stops that motion when the clinker is, when the door is left open. I'm going to push the button. So it's clearing the clinker. Cycle 1. Cycle 2. I'm just getting... There's only 2 cycles, maybe because it was on a cold start. It does 3 when it's in the middle of a hot start, because it's clearing the old ones. Alright, so here's my stove manual light scenario. I push on, it immediately clears whatever's in the burn pot, so I can't pre-light any of this in the burn pot. I gotta light on the side. Once I get some hot coals going, I'm gonna drop it in. Currently there are some clinkers, so corn should be dropping in. I'm getting error code 2, which is operating temperature not reached. I just turned it on, so I don't know why it's going to do that. I'm going to probably have to turn it off and on again so it doesn't have that mode. If it has operating temperature not reached, it'll stay there until it gets hot enough or until I do a full restart. So I'm going to turn the video off for a bit.